I'm going to show to you 5 perfect brow tips or Kilay tips that you can use for a daily basis or for special occasion. Hi, this is Cykaniki. Thank you so much for being here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's start. Starting with the tools, I picked this angled pencil brush because it's easier to work with if you're in a hurry. And this brow brush. First tip is to start from the tail of your brows or tracing the tail of your brow. Second tip is to outline the lower part of your brow and connect it to the tail of your brow. Third tip is to outline the upper part of your brow and connect it to the first line of the brow tail. Fourth tip, fill in the middle, start from this line, not here, here, not here, okay? Fifth tip is to blend. Remember the first point of the fourth tip, start from there. And whatever product left on the brush, use it to fill in the inner part of your brows. And I have a bonus tip for you. You can use this for special occasion or any glam eye lift that you love. Use concealer to clean the edges of your brows. Blend it using a brush or your finger. Let's compare. Which part do you like? Comment down below, and if you like this, can you give me a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Okay? Let's do a recap. Start tracing with the tail. Outline the lower part of your brow. Outline the upper part of your brow. Fill in the middle. And then the last tip is to blend the bonus part, which is the concealer, for more precision. Let's finish the other brow without pauses and just how I do it on an everyday basis. Comment down below if you want a video on how I grew my eyebrows, how I trimmed them. So I have a very old video. It is super detailed, but the quality of the video itself, I cannot say if it's good or not, but I love that video because it's compact and it has all the details from grooming until how I do my brows every day. Basically, I do this on my clients and I got a lot of questions as well on how I do it because they find it beautiful and natural looking. That's why I decided to make this video for you so that I will be able to share as well to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy and like this video. Please leave your comments down below and don't forget to click the bell so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos. So thank you and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.